briefly want to talk about the gift of Asperger's. I've worked with a lot of parents over the years, and some of them have, when they find out that their child has Asperger's or high-functioning autism, some of them have a multitude of, well, let's just call it negative emotions. They're overly concerned that their child has a disability or a disease because perhaps they don't know that much about autism spectrum disorder, so they have a lot of myths that they play in their head. So one of the first things I try to do is expose the myths so that the parents can realize that you actually have a child that's got a bunch of strengths, way more strengths than weaknesses, way more abilities than inabilities. But some of these parents, and I'm certainly not trashing the parent because, if this is what they feel, this is what they feel. But some of them have a sense of disappointment, at least initially. Maybe not in a major way, but some of their thoughts are, this is not the child that I had hoped to have. This is not the child that I expected to have. And they're not so much disappointed in the child himself or herself, but they're more disappointed in the situation. But let me tell you something. Kids with Asperger's and their families spend a great deal of time focused on the needs or the limitations of the Asperger's child. But these kids have a lot of abilities that the typical children don't have. So you're not in a one-down position. You're just in a different position and sometimes in a one-up position relative to other families. So it's important that families talk about the strengths and abilities of their Asperger's child. For example, a lot of these kids are very creative. Some of them are just almost like a natural genius. Now, true, they are limited in their interests, but the few interests that they have, they tend to be very knowledgeable in that area. Most of them are above average intelligence. They can see the world very differently compared to the average person. Their overriding priority is usually to solve a problem rather than to satisfy the social or emotional needs of other people. They're also very well known for being direct. In other words, they speak their mind and they're honest and determined. These kids can give considerable attention to detail. A lot of them have a great sense of humor. They have a real strong sense of social justice, and usually they're very creative, and they're more concerned about creativity than cooperation. That could be a plus or a minus, depending on how you look at it. But it's important to celebrate Asperger's children for what and who they are, recognizing their individual strengths and abilities, because they have a ton of them. So doing this on a daily basis is going to not only help your child build self-esteem and self-confidence, but it's also going to help you to be able to erase any type of misconceptions or shame or guilt or whatever you might be feeling if you're having some negative emotions once you find out that your child has Asperger's. So find those strengths, talk about them, okay? Again, it's important for families to talk regularly in front of the child about his strengths and abilities. And you will be surprised just how far this child will go if you'll frame things from a positive perspective and forget about the negative stuff, okay?